alaikum. My name is MD Rifat. I am currently pursuing a bachelor degree in software engineering at Daffodil International University. I believe technology is not just about writing code. It's about creating solutions that makes life easier, smarter, and more connected. That mindset is what drives me every day to learn, build, and improve myself. Before university, I completed my SSC from Amijan High School and HSC from Milestone College. Those years helped me to develop discipline, curiosity, and a strong foundation for higher studies. At university, I have been actively build my technical skill in software department, data management and project documentation. I proficient in Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. I regularly use those tools for data analysis, reporting, presenting, and organizing project workflow. I have also developed a strong understanding of programming foundations, database management, and software design principle, though academic project and self-learning. One of the projects I worked on was a smart attendance management system designed to automate attendance tracking and generated reports efficiently for educational institutions. I also collaboration on a task management platform for small terms where we focus on improve productivity through organized workflow and real-time task tracking. This project helped me to strengthen my problem solving ability, teamwork, communication, and project management skill. In addition to academic, I have a strong creative side. I passionate about photography, videography, and video editing. Creating visual content has taught me attention to detail, storyteller, and creative thinking, skills that are valuable in both technology and professional environment. Beyond technological knowledge, I value continuous learning, adaptability, and professionalism. I enjoy talking on new challenge, learning emerging technologies, and improve my skill through practice and collaboration. In future, I aim become a successful software professional who contributes to innovate and meaningful project. I want to build solutions that not only solve problems but also created a positive impact on people and society. Thank you for watching the video. I am excited about the opportunity ahead and look forward a growing contribution and making meaningful difference in the tech industry. Thank you everyone.